Tony's back there doing his own thing. He's actually.
All right, well, we're heading out to the water. Me and my buddy Hollywood. He does drone videos, Worthy Roberts, so make sure you check him out. He's gonna fly a drone today, but I think we're gonna be in some areas that he maybe not be able to fly, so we'll see if he breaks the law or not. We'll see. I don't know.
I'm not gonna break the law.
Okay, well, and we wouldn't put that on the video if he did or not anyway. Right, that's called evidence. But all right, we're gonna be heading out there. If y'all haven't met Hollywood before, we did the first video ever. So if you go back about 200 something videos, he actually got me started. He got me. Yeah, he did. That was a long time ago. He got me started on doing these videos.
It's like 03.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it was, but it was good. It was back in old Moultrie Creek. We went out there and did that on the old Ginu. But today we're taking the Sea Pro out, and we're gonna try some different spots, and we'll see if we can get on them. So y'all stay tuned. I think I might be on an oyster. Yep, I'm on an oyster. First fish in the boat.
Check
Little
that out.
trout.
Humongous trout. Look how big it is. It's huge. Turn the camera on.
Turn the camera. See you later, sucker.
Swimming into me.
Oh, and bite me too.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Cat, don't bring him in. Don't bring him in. I'm getting bit really a lot. They might have taken mine already. Yeah, leave him off the side.
Come on, let's just get him in the boat.
Yeah. This is the correct way to unhook a catfish.
You're not missing the perfect opportunity to show this the audience how to remove
And I'm
cat.
getting bit.
Good job. Is that a magnet?
Well, I just got bit. Oh, I think he's got it. Is it another catfish?
It's the same catfish.
No, look at that. This is a little lane snapper, I think.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
I caught one that small one time before. Actually small.
Pretty cool.
So I can get it.
Here, put this in your pocket.
Put it on the hook.
Yeah. We're gonna need some more shrimp.
It is. Hey, Tony.
I don't think he's gonna be a keeper though. Hand me that orange thing real quick. Let's see how big he is. I don't think he's gonna make it.
There, should put a 0-1 on the side of this orange thing.
Hey, it's all right. You're okay. I think they gotta be 15. This is 13. See you later, sucker.
That was barely like, it wasn't even on the
Oh, that might be a decent one here, huh? Is that gonna need a net?
Might. Get up here. We're going to the boat. Where's it going? This way. This way, buddy.
Let me see, we might need a net for that. Oh, it's a stingray.
Oh, poop.
We don't want that. Let me get this. Ooh, that's a big one too. Yeah, it is. No wonder it's like, it's a good one. All right, let's try not to get, oh, you got him right there at the front too, look. Not even in the mouth.
Oh, wow. Bit it.
Oh, that's awkward.
Didn't even get the shrimp. Poor guy. Sam, you make a great guy.
I appreciate that. A little mutton to me. Wow. See you later, sucker.
Mine was on Seinfeld.
Mutton.
Yeah.
As they call that for sheep too, right?
Did you see that? He threw the
They will
shrimp.
cut you. They got horrible. They got really sharp teeth. He's throwing everything.
He got somebody else's shrimp.
Golly. They got really sharp teeth. Yeah.
See you, buddy.
See you later, sucker.
He's just a little guy.
Oh, don't bring him in.
Another.
Don't bring him in. Oh, jeez. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. What is that?
It looks like a trout.
Trout? Lady or blue? Oh, that's a good trout.
That's a trout. It is a trout. Hey, that might be a keeper trout.
I don't know.
This could be a keeper ray. Let's get this in the picture too, see?
Yeah. I don't know if this is going to be a keeper. Let me measure him real quick, then we'll get that one off. Oh, that's no good. 14. See you later, sucker. Oh, great. Now he's in the mouth. Don't you stick me, sucker.
That little hook, de-hooker is pretty cool.
Yeah, makes a big difference. Looks like a bigger blue. Yeah, bigger bluefish. Golly.
Oh, that's so funny. I want to get on my flip-flops. Those are my dress flip-flops.
Ah, these things are
Don't
crazy.
let it hit that bag. That's a clean bag.
Go near. Look at you. Another trout.
They're humongous. Oh, let's do it.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
Let's do it this way.
There you go. We're catching. We're catching. No, he's not in. But we're catching. See you later, sucker. Big old pin. It's biting again. It's a little shrimp on there. I bet you they took it. Oh yeah.
Tony's back there doing his own thing. He's actually. He's got a good fish right now. Almost took the pole.
Yeah, that's a good one. I don't know what it is, but it's a big one. Oh, is that a shark?
I don't know, we can't be having these.
That looks like a shark. That looks like a shark. It's a big shark.
How big is it?
I don't know.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I saw it up in the thing just a minute ago. It looks like a shark. See it?
Oh, I see it. Wow, that thing's big. At least a couple of feet.
Little shrimp it ate. Little shrimp.
There it is. Well, that's not what we want to catch.
It's a big old bonnet head.
You just gotta wait for that thing to tire out or what?
Yeah, well, I'm surprised you haven't broke it off. It's hooked just right in the corner of the mouth.
Pull it up onto the boat.
Yeah. You got your flip-flops on? That'll be good.
You need me to hold the fishing pole?
Yeah, give me that orange hook remover. Here, hold this real quick and I'll see if I can get them. I just don't want them to rip my hand with a line.
There's that microphone.
Yeah. And we just ripped it.
Well, that's all right. At least you didn't have to get hurt.
Here we go. That was a pretty big shark.
That was pretty cool.
There we go. All right. Well, we got some adventure, excitement.
I need to get out of your way.
I have to retie, get another hook on there. Good deal. And there's my camera sitting on the ground there. I dropped it, still going. There was a shark, so I just dropped you. So, pretty decent sized bonnet head. I'd say probably about 4 or 5 feet. So, not what we want, but it was still fun to catch. Oh, Hollywood about to fly the drone on the boat.
Kind of nervous.
Yeah, I would be too. How many drones have you lost so far?
I've lost 0. I've crashed all of them.
Oh, geez. Here we go.
Oh, I forgot to show you guys. We looked at air data, and the wind here is like 18 miles an hour too, so it's windy as well. So we've got all kinds of variables against us right now. Tony's reeling in another fish, I think, but we got a lot of things that are fighting against us. So my fingers are crossed that this works out. I actually prayed a little bit earlier too. Let me pinch these sticks together. We'll get them up in the air. There we go. Lloyd is now lost. He's fighting the wind.
Oh, geez.
Definitely fighting the wind. I'm afraid something's going to happen here. All right, I'm going to pull the gimbal back up. Actually, let me just pull Dwight down, and we'll fly him towards us. You want to get your your lines in?
I got one of them, man.
All right, let me pull the camera up so we can see what it is. It's windy. Oh my goodness, it's windy. There's so many obstacles in this boat right now, it's not even funny. I didn't even realize. Okay. Let me pull him over this way just a little bit more. Why is he going that way?
Oh, there's the fishing poles. Oh, jeez.
Come on, man.
Don't lose them, Kevin.
All right. Let me see if this is scary.
All right.
Let's see if I can just catch it right here. Come on, Dwight. Don't do this to me, buddy. It's too tight in here.
Oh, yeah, right there. Oh, you're good.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna catch him. Come on down, buddy.
You don't want to come down.
You need to come down. There we go. Oh.
Holy crap.
Can you believe I just did that? That was scary, man, for real. I don't want to launch him again to do that second test. I think we might have to do that second test later. I think that's a good decision.
He's scared.
Chicken. This is a shark.
It's a trout and an oyster. Got hung up on an oyster. Oh, there it is. He's not big enough either. No.
Big fish.
That oyster got you.
That trout's a keeper.
Well,
I'd say it's at least 18 and 23 inches.
well, on a mullet. He ate the mullet. That's cool. See you later, sucker. And we caught some trout today. I don't know. Blue fish.
Got a bunch of blues.
These suckers are crazy too. Make sure you head over to We're the Roberts channel and check out his drone footage. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.